Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Google Authenticator app for Binance. For this, first of all, open Binance. Once it's open, click on the icon and then click on Profile. Once it's open, click on Security. Now you can see that the Authenticator app is not set up, but we will set it up. For this, click on the Authenticator app. Then scroll down and click on Enable. After that, you will see a 16-digit key. You have to copy this key, or you can also scan the QR code using the Authenticator app. For now, we will copy the code. After that, close this app and then open Google Authenticator. Once it's open, click on the plus icon. Then click on Enter a setup key. Paste the key in the keys section, go above, and then set the name of your app. After that, click on Add. After that, copy the code from Binance. Close this app and then open Binance. Once it's open, click on Next and then paste the code. After that, click on Submit. Go back from here. And now you can see our Authenticator app is enabled in Binance. That's the way to use the Google Authenticator app. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.